He's 4.5 months. He loves to use his new sharp teeth on these paper towel tubes. It's just thin enough he can poke his teeth through it. That's what he likes. He's smart enough not to eat it. He just chews it up and spits it out. So you gotta vacuum afterwards, but it's not too bad. At least he's happy. So if you want one of the best toys for a puppy, save your paper towel tubes. Just make sure you don't have a lot of glue on them. I wouldn't want them to eat glue. I use the POM brand paper towels from Sam's Club. They don't have much glue on the paper towel tubes at all, so they're pretty safe. Almost got it. You almost got it all done. I've also just got him trained where as soon as we come in the house, he'll go lay on the rug in front of the sink, and I wash all 4 of his paws when we come in the house. So it's pretty much standard now. As soon as I let him in the house, he goes right to the kitchen sink. I'll wash all 4 of his pans with a wet wash towel, and then he's good to go. Pretty sharp little puppy. Hope you enjoyed our video. That's what happens to your paper towel tubes if you let your dog play with them like a toy. See, chews it, spits it out. He knows what he's doing.